Today we're going to be taking a look at Young Living. This is a therapeutic grade essential oils company, and they have a body care line just for men. This is the Shutran collection. Welcome to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. Today I'm joined with
Jane.
We also have our scent specialist Cuddles on board, and today we're going to be taking a look at a body care line for men. This is from Young Living. It is their Shutran collection. In these product reviews, we do a few things. Do an up-close look at the label, product itself, dive into information, scent notes, try it, and give you our opinion at the end. So if you're ready, we're all ready. Grab your favorite bar of soap, and let's enjoy the show. The labeling for these products is fairly simple. They've got a grid pattern on the background and the Shutran and Young Living branding across the product. Now the soap does come wrapped up in plastic, sealing in all the scents, and it does have that grid design on the bar as well. Now I do try to chop this stuff up, but it is a triple mill soap, so it kind of falls apart when I do that. Now the first product on the list is the 3-in-1 men's body wash. This has the Shutran's essential oil blend that will be in each of the product, along with some pumpkin seed oil, aloe vera, and black cumin. Moving along to the shaving cream, the key ingredients here will be the grapeseed oil, aloe vera. We have some other ingredients like mango and cocoa butters as well. The aftershave lotion they offer have a few oils in it, as you can see right here, along with some witch hazel, dandelion root extract, and aloe vera for the skin. This brand also has a beard oil available, and it does have some apricot kernel oil, wolf seed berry oil, and the Shutran's essential oils as well. This will leave your beard smelling quite woodsy and fresh. Now this bar of soap is triple milled, so you will get quite a bit of use. And as you can see right here, we do have a lot of oils and butters in this mixture. It's quite a bit and a little too much for me to list one by one. We're going to move along to the Lather Station. Now I will make this part fairly quick. We have wetted the bar and we've gotten a consistent lather out of it. It does smell fairly good as well, I might want to note. Now the 3-in-1 body wash has a thicker viscosity to the liquid and a slight yellow tint due to the essential oil. It does give you a clean, crisp bubble, as you saw right there. The shaving cream comes out of this tube fairly nice. I was surprised. It does spread along the skin good, and it does leave a slickness for the razor to cut the hair on your face. This aftershave lotion did work quite well. A few pumps did cover the full face, and it does have a nice, nourishing feel to it. This beard oil has a great applicator. It worked quite well, and you do get a nice shine you can see right here from all the oils. Welcome back from that up-close look at the label, product info. Now we do have a full line of stuff right here, and I did chop this soap up, so it's only this little tiny piece right here. You get this woodsy scent, and you get a citrus, orange citrus scent coming through. Almost smells like a vitamin C chewable to myself, with a little bit of woods in there. What are you thinking about this scent?
Yeah, I can smell the woodsy scent and a little bit of citrus, but not like sweet. And there's like yin yang oil. I love that, and they have it there. It's pretty strong, and it's really rare to find in soap product.
Yeah, it's got quite a bit of essential oils. I think there was like a blend of like 100 different essential oils, and they are saying this is the therapeutic grade essential oils. Now this company, Young Living, it is an MLM, and that's something I typically wouldn't do on this channel. But it was sent to me, and we thought it'd be cool to do this anyways. And in no way am I endorsed or affiliated with this brand or any part of the MLM itself. This is strictly just a review on the product line here for men. Now, I tried all this stuff. I've been using the beard oil for a little bit, and in my personal opinion, I feel like the beard oil is probably the best value in this whole set. You're still going to get that essential blend, and the oils actually felt pretty good in my beard. It wasn't too oily. It actually helped me maintain a lot of those loose hairs, and it held a really good shape. I actually liked it quite a bit, to be honest. Now, I actually prefer shave soaps and aftershaves compared to the cream and the lotion. But I do have other creams, and this one was probably the best out of the ones I've tried, so it wasn't bad. You get a lot of the Shutran scent coming through, which is what you buy the lineup for. And the lotion actually moisturized my skin quite well, the aftershave lotion. So that was actually unexpected, and even right now my skin feels fairly good. This is like the second day after using this. The soap lathered fairly well. It's not overpowering, it's not taking over your shower, but I do like that citrus scent that they have going on here with a little bit of the woods. And the 3-in-1 is not bad. You get a crisp, clean bubble. You don't have like a conditioning factor for your hair, but for me, it wasn't bad. It didn't leave it like dry and stringy, and it was easy to manage and shape after it was done. What did you think about the 3-in-1? You had a chance to try that one too, right?
Yeah, I think this is one of the best 3-in-1. For 3-in-1 powder, usually they're like not perfect because good for your skin doesn't mean it like feels good on your hair. But this is fair enough. I prefer to have I prefer to use hair conditioner after this, but this doesn't make me too dry. I feel like there's a good amount of essential oil that kind of keep your body, your hair, your skin like good. So it's like a luxury 3-in-1.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like I said, it's got that crisp, clean bubble. It's a little different, something you'd have to get used to, just the way it is. I can't explain the way that bubble is, but it's almost like it doesn't have any glide when you're putting it across your hair. I don't know how to explain that very well, but it wasn't bad. It soaked up well. It felt good. It left the skin moisturized. I didn't get any drying effect or anything after the shower. I didn't have like dry skin. I did use that on my face, beard, and my body. I didn't have any problems. Now they did send us out this cool little roller. It's like an essential oil roller. I believe it has the same scent as the Shutran blend. Now this is kind of my favorite thing, to be honest, out of this whole deal here, besides the beard oil, because you just get this pure scent right here. It's kind of a nice little roll-on. You can throw it on your wrist or your neck or whatever. You can almost kind of wear it as like a scent enhancer. I wouldn't put it as far as saying it's a cologne or anything, but if you're into the essential oils, this might be a plus. That's something you'd want to try out. Now I don't know if you've checked out this Young Living brand or you're just diving into essential oils, but this really isn't a bad lineup. It does have a higher price point, and I feel like that's probably due to the amount of essentials that there are in each blends, and they're at least saying they've kind of got this higher grade of ingredients, right?
So I really like the sense of this little essential oil. I like yin yang. I always pick that yin yang. I think I've been picking it up from a friend that she like to collect essential oils. Yin yang is kind of like higher price, expensive kind of oil. And I always like that smell. It's more like a sweet medicine.
That's gonna wrap this video up. Like, you share, you subscribe. You know how YouTube works. We'll all see you on the next video. Peace.